Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the sniper only gameplay. So let's get started. Click the feature at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, this is Gunfight Sniper. So the Gunfight Sniper, let's click the question mark. This is a sniper fight. Sniper rifle change every 2 rounds. So it's quite random. You can get its random sniper rifle in the battle, and every 2 rounds it will change. And also this is 3 versus 3 sniper fight. It's quite small battle, and also the map is limit. Let's get jump to the game. As you can see, 3 versus 3 sniper fight in the pine forest map. So eliminate enemies with sniper rifle. So this is the gameplay. So I got this sniper rifle in this match. The SPR spaceman. See, there are the enemies. So this is sniper rifle only battle. Let's get start the game. You have to pick, don't rush, you have to pick and hide, wait your enemy move. So let's enjoy the game. Thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.